Hello friends, welcome to the VDQtopia video editing tutorial. In this tutorial, I will demonstrate how to apply color effects to a video using solid color images. Let's begin the tutorial together step by step. I have imported some solid color images. Add all the images to the timeline. If required, change the position of the images in the timeline. Select all the images and create a compound clip. Increase the speed of the compound clip to 10x. I have moved the compound clip to the above track. I have imported some video clips. Add a video to the timeline and adjust the duration. I have added rest of the video clips and created duplicate copies of the compound clip. Select all the compound clips. Change the blend mode to multiply. That's all from this tutorial. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, share it with your friends and subscribe for more amazing tutorials.